Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. I am Priyanka Priyadashni Patra, first runners up of Raulkela Model of the Year 2020 Season 1 organized by Youth Movement Federation of India, and I'm a mentor jury for Season 2. So yeah, I'm really excited to see all of you perform, and definitely the level is up this time as it's Season 2, and I hope that you all will be giving your best. So there will be several rounds like walk round, talent round, and all will be conducted online only, and I'll be grooming you when you'll be there in the finals. So it's a great opportunity. Make the most out of it. And through this platform you can get a lot, like not only the prizes and the title, but also this platform will provide you further opportunities to prove your talent once again. So I was also a contestant last year. If I could make it and today I'm here as a mentor jury, then definitely you can. So keep practicing, be focused, stay safe, and see you all soon.
Hello everyone, Namaste. I'm the winner of Raulkela Supermodel 2020 Season 1, which is organized by Youth Movement Federation of India, and I'm the mentor jury of Season 2. So this is a little bit tough because this is Season 2, and there are so many rounds you have to qualify, and I groom you when you are in top 5. Okay, so there are a lot of opportunity to win crowns, sash, certificate, trophy and so on. And या मैं चाहती हूँ मैं अगर आज यहाँ पे हूँ तो आप सब में से कोई एक या दो सीजन 3 मेरी जगह पे आ सकते हैं. So keep on practicing and जितना हो सके उतना प्रैक्टिस करें, घर पे रहें, बाहर ना जाएं, जो भी करें आप घर पे टेरेस पे करें. देयर वॉक वीडियो इफ़ वी वांट देन आप प्लीज़ घर पे ही करें, बाहर ना जाएं. सो थैंक यू ऑल. नमस्ते.
Hello, I am Suraj Kumar Panigrahi from Raulkela, Odisha, the land of culture, diversity and heritage. My biggest inspiration is my father. For me, he is Mr. India, Mr. World and Mr. Universe. I have done master degree in Sanskrit language. My family is my biggest strength. I love traveling and exploring new places.
Enthusiasm, compassionate and cheerful. That's me, Pratyasha. Namaskar everyone. Myself Pratyasha Samal. Pratyasha means return wish, but I never have return wish from people. I do believe to work for people, but I don't want anything in return. I'm from Raulkela and I'm currently studying in class 9 in St. Joseph Convent School. My hobbies are dancing, modeling, acting, anchoring and singing. And with that, I love using makeups and drawing cartoons. My mother introduced me to dance at a very young age, and being on stage makes me the happiest. I aspire to become a fashion designer. My motto in my life is to dream the impossible, seek the unknown, and achieve the greatness. I'm the only daughter of Mr. Bidhan Chandra Samal and Mrs. Subhashi Samal. That's all about me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Subhalakshmi Sahu from Bhubaneswar. First of all, I want to say that I am so glad to be a contestant of this show. I am 23 now and I love to do singing, dancing, and shopping. My profession, I am a student and doing MBA. My strength is I am very hardworking person and disciplined person. That's all. Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to introduce myself. Thank you.
Beauty is the radiance of your soul. Hello everyone, this is Arpita Anandita Sahu from Steel City, Rourkela. My hobbies is modeling, acting and adding some other qualities. And sometimes I like to do dancing and singing etc. My aim is to be a software engineer. My role model is myself. I believe in myself. I am inspired by Priyanka Misra ma'am. Thank you. Namaskar.
Beauty is the illumination of one's soul. A very warm and a hearty good morning to one and all present over here. Here's I present my intro. I am Siddhant Pandey. I am 16 years old. Currently I am pursuing my class 10th in one of the most spiritualistic and religious school, that is Chinmay Vidyalaya English Medium, Rourkela. I am from the city which is acting as the lungs for the whole nation. Yes, I am talking about the steel city Rourkela, who is providing oxygen to the whole nation. Coming to the point, that what are my strengths and weaknesses, first focusing on the strength. My strength is that I am a friendly in nature. I can cope up with everyone in my surroundings. Secondly, I am an ambitious boy who can do anything to achieve his goal. Like every coin has two sides, and also putting impact on the fact that no one is perfect in everything and in every aspect. I have my weaknesses too. I have a bit of negative mindset. I am short tempered, and also I have a bit of overconfidence inside me. But continuously I am working on it to throw them away from my personality and to bring out the best form of myself out. Now question arises that why I am in this pageantry. Pageantry is like a part of my body through which I express myself in front of others and in the front of society. Now what are my achievements? So if the list of achievements goes on, I am a state level orator. I have got the award of Young Orator which is organized by SAIL. I am also declared as the best quizzer of the year by NIT Rourkela. Friends, apart from that, I have also excelled in many mathematics and science olympiads. Friends, who is my inspiration? The answer is Camille Serrier. My aim is to excel in the field of science as well as continue my passion, that is pageantry, to express myself in front of others. Now, this is the reason why Camille Serrier is my inspiration, who is a model as well as a scientist. At last but not the least, by summarizing all the facts, I would like to say that I am a boy full of dreams who want to achieve his goal in his upcoming future and also continue his passion, that is pageantry. With this I conclude. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Hello, my name is Mansi Singh. The meaning of my name is the one who always listens to their heart and do everything what their heart says without any second thought. And that's why today I'm here contesting in this show. I'm 18-year-old, born and brought up in Rourkela. I'm currently pursuing my intermediate in science from Ispat English Medium School. Coming from a liberal and benevolent family, I've always been taught to be kind-hearted and genuine to each one I meet in my life. Apart from this, I'm a spiritual person. I do believe in God. I don't believe in miracles, but I only do believe in hard work. Now, coming to my hobbies, I've gained interest in modeling, I like dancing, and I love to cook. My short term goal is to get placed in a field where I can get an opportunity to enhance my skills and knowledge. And my long term goal would be reaching the higher position in the list of successful people so that I can inspire others. Thank you.
We can't think of changing our skin color. Change the world? That's how we got to think. Hello everyone, I am Soumya Shrita Das. I will be 16 this November. I am from Raurkela and currently I am pursuing Standard 10 at Chinmay Vidyalaya English Medium School. I love learning the different other languages apart from my mother tongue and watching movies based on real stories. One of my strengths is an ability to reflect on my own performance. My strength is my willingness to accept every task assigned to me. I love to complete every task assigned to me with quality and within stipulated time. Apart from that, I have my weaknesses too. I am a short-tempered person and yes, I get angry very quickly. Manusha Chillar has been a huge inspiration for me since 2 years. As we all know that she was the winner of Femina Miss India 2017 and Miss World 2017. She had always admired me through all of her works. Apart from that, I am a Bhagavad Gita chanter since 7 years. I was the second Gita chanter of the Odisha state level competition held in the year 2018. The aim of my life is to be that I wanna be in the pageant industry in my upcoming future so that I can prove everything about myself, about my personality, about my intelligence and yes, about my talent. And I think that pageant is the perfect golden opportunity and a perfect platform to fulfill all my ambitions. Thank you.
Here's the heartily welcome, big and warm, enough to encompass you all. I'll stand here for talent, fashion and frame. Hello, Shritika Mishra is my good name. I'm a teen with many feathers in my crown. In past 2 years, I have excellent in theatres, runway fashion, beauty presence and many more. Yet, I'll describe myself in just 5 words. Ambitious, fearless, sassy, quite determined and amiable. I'm from grade 10 Delhi Public School from Smart City, Green City, Rourkela. I have a flair in modeling, dancing, singing, acting and I'm looking forward to pursue them ahead. A heartfelt thank you to Youth Movement Federation of India organization for getting us such a lovely program. Thank you for lending me patient ears. Hope you have a great day.
Strong belief, adequate mistakes will make a clean and pure heart. Hey everyone, myself Shivangi Dhal of Standard 10. Coming from a spiritual and traditional family, the spiritual values were induced since childhood. Running in the race of still developing cities list, the only still city of ancient state Odisha, Rourkela. At a young age of 6, I started learning Odissi, the cultural dance form of our state. Besides this, I also have interest in acting, painting, athletics and calligraphy writing. My greatest strength are my patience and dedication indulged in every work I do. As talking about weakness, I can say that I have trouble saying no many a times on people's face. My mistakes are my greatest inspiration that I try my level best to overcome it. As I have taken part in many competitions in my locality and won a little, but the main motive for joining in this is that it is a best platform for me to show my all the special talents, especially my personality and character that I am carrying through. Thank you.
Hello. The biggest weapon is to stay peaceful. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Swayam Verma. I am 16th. Currently, I am in 10th standard. I am from a beautiful city, Rourkela, and also I belong from a middle class family. My strengths are I am self-motivated, hardworking and disciplined person. I have a weakness too. My weakness, I am short-tempered and shy person, which I am trying to overcome. My hobbies are playing cricket, dancing and traveling. I would like to share my inspiration. My inspiration is the first Mr. India Vikram Sehluz, who won this title in 1994. I have so many achievements I cannot list it here. Thank you.
secret of getting ahead is getting started. Hello everyone, Namaste. I am Preeti Das. I'm 16 and I am from the steel city of Odisha, Rourkela. Currently, I'm studying in standard 10th of Chinmay Vidyalaya. My interests are, I'm an avid reader. I love writing poems. The philanthropy nature of mine has led me to join the Indian National Scouting Guide. Apart from that, I love expressing myself and my thoughts through my ghungroos. Yes, I'm a trained Odissi dancer too. My love and dedication towards my dance Odissi has helped me to achieve the national dance title of Nritya Kalamani. Dr. Rita Faria, the first Indian lady to achieve the Miss World title in 1966, has always been my inspiration. My strengths are, I'm hardworking and I believe in honesty. If you're hardworking, honest and kind enough, then you can achieve anything and everything under the sky. Yet, I have my weaknesses too. When it comes to me, my self-criticism quotient is very high, but I'm working on it. The reason why I chose this platform, the reason why I'm here, is because I love being on spotlight. Glamour stunts me. And pageant will help me to enhance my personality and boost my confidence. But apart from that, I want to prove myself that I am capable enough and I can stand alone as a leader and lead what I dream of. But most importantly, to be a better version of myself. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Ishika Rai. I'm 17 years old, currently studying from Municipal College Rourkela, and I am from the Steel City Rourkela. Telling about my passions and my hobby, I am passionate about modeling, and since my childhood I always wanted to become a model, and that is why I am here today. And I usually love to play guitar and dance as well. Telling about the kind of personality that I hold, I am a very cheerful kind of person, and I love to carry an energetic and cheerful environment wherever I go. And I believe that everybody should have a smile on their face all the time, because it is a symbol of happiness and positivity. So do I carry my own smile everywhere I go, because I love my smile so much. Lastly, I want to thank YMFI for providing me such an opportunity. Thank you so very much. Thank you.